craziest thing I've ever experienced. The battery blew up. Ooh, and you see there too. I didn't even notice that one. That one for sure I saw, obviously. Just realized it blew up there too. I have no idea. I mean, just bizarre. So I got in the car to start it, turned the key, and I mean, as soon as it hit probably accessory, I heard what sounded like a gunshot in the trunk, and then the power just went dead. And then I started seeing smoke, lots of smoke. So I was able to pop the trunk, and this is what I discovered. The water and probably acid was all exploded up on here, so I've rinsed it off. Hopefully that has deacetized it, neutralized it. The tough part's going to be, I mean, obviously I can unbolt the negative and hot. The hard part's going to be getting this to a condition where I can transport it safely. So, very bizarre. I mean, I've been driving cars for darn near 40 years, and I've had batteries die, but I've never had a battery literally just explode like that. So literally the craziest thing I've ever experienced, and it exploded not just there, but I mean the whole thing. It blew up like a bomb. Now the white powder you're seeing, that's baking soda. I poured that on there to try to neutralize the acid. See, it's even leaking out some more, so I'm gonna have to get another box. I took everything out of here. Pretty much there was a ½ inch to an inch deep of liquid acid all underneath the spare tire, so I'm glad that I pulled the tire out. And I dumped a whole box of baking soda in here, let it neutralize, and then I've been washing it with the hose and sucking it up with the wet dry vac. And now I've just towel dried it. So you may be wondering, I did roll it outside. You apparently cannot take the car out of park without a working battery, which is kind of crazy. So I went ahead and put the new battery, just basically put the terminals on it. First I put a fuse between the ground just to make sure that it wasn't going to blow up, and it didn't blow the fuse, so I figured if it didn't blow the fuse it wasn't going to blow up. So I hooked it up, and I accidentally started the car. Like, I didn't mean to do that, but I guess I had the key already turned, so it didn't blow up the new battery, so I'm guessing the old battery just failed. Anyway, I'm going to dry all this off and put it back together, and I'll be driving old reliable, never lets me down car for a while. Yeah, that was pretty terrifying. I mean, like I said, it sounded like a gunshot happened in my trunk, and then to see that battery and all the smoke and fumes and everything was pretty bad too.